records to be produced so that we can determine the extent of participation of the Vice President, as she herself had admitted those business interests in her sentence. Kaya po namin hinihingi po yun. Kasi tingin po namin ay